Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use full self-driving in your Tesla Model Y Juniper. First, ensure FSD beta is enabled through your vehicle settings on the large touchscreen display. Once activated, you will notice distinct visual changes on your screen, indicating FSD is active and ready. Remember, FSD is an assistance feature, so always stay alert and prepared to intervene at any moment. Your active supervision is crucial for safe operation. To engage full self-driving beta, first ensure you are in a suitable driving environment. Pull the right stalk down once to activate traffic-aware cruise control. Then quickly pull the right stalk down a second time. You will see the FSD icon appear, confirming engagement. To disengage, simply apply the brake pedal or exert slight force on the steering wheel. This action immediately returns control to you, ensuring safety and responsiveness. The Model Y Juniper's display provides rich visualizations of FSD's perception of the world. You will see the car's planned trajectory, along with other vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles. Watch for highlighted lane lines and traffic signals, which indicate the system's current understanding and intended actions. These visuals are your window into how FSD is interpreting the road, helping you anticipate its behavior and maintain situational awareness. For optimal safety when using full self-driving, always keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. FSD is a driver assist system, not an autonomous one, requiring your constant readiness to take over. Be aware of its limitations, especially in challenging weather or complex traffic scenarios. Your active participation ensures a smooth and secure driving experience, making the most of this advanced technology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.